Rachel Legaspi, and she is 80 years old, stands 5 feet and 1 inches tall.
Rachel Legaspi ha 18 anni, alta 5'1", misure 33, 27 e 33. Jane Christine De Castro ha 19 anni, alta 5'2", le sue misure sono 33, 25 e 33.
Jane Christine De Castro is 90 years old, stands 5'2", and her vital statistics are 33, 25, 33. Our third candidate is Veneto Pageant. She is 80 years old, stands 5 feet and 6 inches tall. Vital statistics 33, 24, 34.
Veronica Lengalina Pacis, 18 anni, alta 5'6", misure 33, 24, 34. As of candidate number 4, Leslie Ann Arca. Leslie ha 20 anni, alta 5'4", le misure sono 33, 25, 34.
Miss Leslie Ann Arca is 20 years old, stands 5 feet and 4 inches tall. Her vital statistics is 33, 25, 34. Our fifth candidate is Zarina Delgado. She is 20 years old, stands 5 feet and 6 inches tall. Her vital statistics is 33, 24, 34.
Zarina Delgado ha 20 anni, alta 5'6", misure 33, 24, 34. And candidate number 6, Wilma Reyes. Ha 17 anni, alta 5, misure 31, 27 e 33.
Miss Wilma Reyes is 17 years old. She stands 5 feet. Her vital statistics is 31, 27, 33. Our seventh candidate is Jane Elizabeth Rosas. She is 20 years old and stands 5 feet. Her vital statistics is 31, 24, 32.
Jane Elizabeth Rojas ha 22 anni, alta 5, misure 31, 24, 32. And our candidate number 8, Cristina Cocco. Ha 17 anni, alta 5'6", misure 34, 27 e 36.
Miss Cristina Cocco is 17 years old and she stands 5 feet, 6 inches. Her vital statistics is 34, 27, 36. Our ninth candidate is Erika Janela Villanueva. She is 90 years old. She stands 5 feet, 5 inches tall, and her vital statistics is 33, 26, 36.
Erika Janela ha 19 anni, alta 5'5", le sue misure sono 33, 26 e 36. Candidate number 10 is Russell Jane Tapan. Ha 22 anni, alta 5'5", misure 33, 26, 25.
Miss Russell Jane Tapan is 22 years old and she stands 5 feet, 5 inches tall. Her vital statistics is 23, 26, and 25. Ladies and gentlemen, our 11th candidate, Ms. Jennifer Batistini. Jennifer is 16 years old. She stands 5'4". Vital statistics 33, 24, 33.
Jennifer ha 16 anni e ha 5'4", le misure sono 33, 24, 33. Last but not the least, candidate number 12, Elaine Lozada. Elaine ha 17 anni, alta 5'6", misure 32, 26, 33.
Miss Elaine Lozada is 17 years old and stands 5 feet, 6 inches tall. Vital statistics is 32, 26, 33.
Le 12 belle ragazze per Miss Philippines Veneto 2010. Un applauso!
Thank you, ladies. Wow. Woo! That is totally stunning. Thank you so much.
For Miss Charity is candidate number 1, Rachel Legaspi from Bassano.
Wow, let's give a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, that's Rachel Legaspi from Bassano. You know, I know that there's a lot from Bassano who's cheering right now. Miss Nance. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to award the second award, which is Miss Confidence. Our candidate, the winner is Miss Candidate
Number 3, Veronica Legalina.
She's from Treviso.
Thank you, congratulations. For Best Ramp Model is the winner is candidate number 5, Zarina Delgado.
From Verona.
Verona.
Candidate number
6, Wilma Reyes. Prettiest eyes, y'all keep you badly. Okay.
Okay, now without much further ado, we'd like to introduce to you our winner for best, the most beautiful and shiny hair for this evening for their candidates.
Number 4, Leslie Ann Arca from Venezia.
See, okay, congratulations, Leslie.
Okay, so the winner for Best Smile is candidate number 11, Jennifer Batistine from Bassano. Congratulations.
Yes, congratulations. Okay, of course, okay,
So,
now.
for Miss Congeniality, decided by our judges, candidate number 9, Erica Gabriela Villarreal.
Okay.
So,
It was decided actually by our candidates.
okay, congratulations, Janella. Thank you, Miss Belinda.
Thank you so much. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to call on our while we're, of course, fixing themselves, we'd like to call on our sponsor
Yes.
for our next
Mr. Ottorino Crema, please come forward. Questa è la più bella in fotografia, Miss Photogenic.
Miss Photogenic
Please
Award.
come forward for the award. Number 11! 11! Jennifer Batista! Again!
Yes, Miss Jennifer Batista from Bassano. Wow. I'm sure you guys agree also with this award.
Okay. Congratulations, Jennifer. We would like to call.
Wow. I guess she has a lot of fans here. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to call on our next
For the winner for Best in Swimsuit is candidate number 11, Jennifer Batista. Ang daming fans ni Jennifer.
I agree. Alam mo, painit ng painit. Painit ng painit ang gabi as we move on. Actually, this is not going to be very long Pero para bang, alam mo yun, hinihila yung pressure There's a certain pressure that I feel right now. Okay? The crowd is really cheering up on their bets.